Welcome back, developers, to today's Explainer. For day 39 of our series, we're diving into a massive shift in modern mobile development. We are going to learn all about AI features, the ML Kit framework, chatbot concepts, image recognition, and how artificial intelligence is literally changing the entire landscape of Android applications. Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll start with AI and Android, move through the ML Kit framework, discuss chatbot concepts, explore image recognition, and finally, look at real-time applications. All right, Section 1, AI in Android. What exactly is AI in Android? At its core, artificial intelligence is what makes our Android applications actually smart. By analyzing data and automating tasks right there on the user's device or via the cloud, we get these incredibly smart decision-making systems. And the cool thing is, they don't just follow hard-coded rules anymore. They actively learn from user data to constantly improve the user experience and support some really complex automation features. This really highlights how AI transforms our apps from just static, basic tools into dynamic, intelligent agents that actively learn and adapt. Think about it. AI allows the Android operating system itself to run features like adaptive battery. It learns exactly which apps you use and when, just to optimize your power consumption. It's all about creating those seamless, highly personalized, and hyper-efficient user journeys. Moving right along to Section 2, the ML Kit framework in Android. Now, you might be thinking, training AI models from scratch is mathematically heavy and incredibly resource-intensive, right? Well, that's exactly why we have ready-to-use frameworks to do all that heavy lifting for us. ML Kit is a Google machine learning library that lets developers easily drop powerful AI features into Android applications with just a few lines of code. You literally don't need a specialized degree in machine learning to use this stuff. It brings Google's world-class, heavily optimized on-device models directly to your fingertips, letting you build really sleek, responsive, and futuristic interfaces. Looking at this slide, you can see ML Kit gives us production-ready solutions for everything from text recognition or OCR and barcode scanning, right up to advanced face detection and translation. Need to instantly separate a person from their background? Just use subject segmentation. Need to translate a menu on the fly or generate a smart reply to a message? ML Kit handles the whole shebang. And it does it entirely on-device, which ensures super low latency and total user privacy. Up next, Section 3, Chatbot Concepts and Conversational UI. We're definitely moving away from traditional clicking and tapping and shifting toward talking and chatting. And to make a chatbot work naturally, we rely on natural language processing, or NLP. Chatbots use artificial intelligence and these NLP basics to communicate with users and provide highly intelligent, automated responses. It essentially bridges the gap between that complex code running in the background and the natural, everyday language your users actually speak. So, the crucial takeaway here is this pipeline. These systems analyze a user's messages, determine their true intent, and automate the communication, which makes them absolutely perfect for customer support apps. First, the user provides text or voice input. Then, the NLP engine figures out what they actually mean. That's intent recognition. From there, it retrieves the right data and instantly serves up an automated virtual assistant response. It is a highly efficient, entirely closed-loop system. Let's dive into Section 4, Image Recognition and AI Visual Perception. Beyond just understanding text, we need our applications to actually perceive the physical world around them. Image recognition lets Android apps identify faces, objects, and text using OCR technology and some really advanced AI image analysis systems. By integrating this seamlessly with the device camera, your app essentially gains a pair of eyes. It can parse and understand visual data pretty much just like a human would. But, as developers, we always need the right tool for the job. Depending on what you're building, you might leverage ML Kit for straightforward text extraction, or you might choose MediaPipe for high-performance, real-time object detection in live video streams. ML Kit is fantastic for simply scanning a document or a barcode, but if you want to track complex hand gestures or map out facial meshes at 60 frames per second on a live camera feed, MediaPipe is definitely your go-to framework. And that brings us to Section 5, Real-Time Applications, where we bring all of this together. Seeing how all these theoretical components actually power the apps we use every single day is what makes this so impactful. Modern Android applications use artificial intelligence for smart automation, image detection, and intelligent user interaction. Just look at Google Lens or secure face unlock systems.
Every single time you unlock your phone with your face or your camera automatically blurs the background behind you, you're interacting directly with the on-device AI and ML frameworks we've been talking about today.
Take Google Lens as a perfect example. It beautifully combines OCR, translation systems, and recommendation engines to identify landmarks or even read foreign menus aloud in real time. It can discover visually similar products while you're out shopping, or generate audio scene descriptions for users with visual impairments. It really proves just how powerful an app can become when you successfully layer multiple AI capabilities together. Which brings us to the most exciting part. With these incredible machine learning tools like ML NLP chatbots, and advanced image recognition directly at your fingertips, what intelligent, futuristic experience are you going to build next? The barriers to entry for AI have literally never been lower, and the potential to create truly mind-blowing user experiences has never been higher. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I absolutely can't wait to see what you create.